How can we motivate from within the management role? Ideally, our work should be designed in a way that satisfies our unique needs, as well as serves the organization's goals. Of course, redesigning work to meet an individual's needs is not always possible or feasible. In these situations, managers become an even more important source of motivation. There are a few things that managers themselves can do to motivate employees: help them set goals, reinforce desired behaviors, and support them emotionally and socially. Let's begin with goal-setting principles. These principles are one of the best ways to motivate your followers to meet and exceed performance expectations. Goal-setting principles can also be used to enhance job satisfaction and self-development, helping employees to take care of their jobs and their own personal development. How do goals work? According to Latham, they motivate us by directing, energizing, and rewarding our goal-relevant behaviors. Goals also motivate by appealing to our emotions and our need to accomplish and achieve things in life. Managers can help employees set goals by following the SMART goal acronym. In general, when we set goals that are SMART, we perform higher than when we don't set goals, or even when we set goals to do our best. Goals should be specific in clarifying what must be accomplished and the expected outcome. Goals should be tied to measurable performance, so we know when we've met the goal. Goals should be attainable and that they are realistic and possible to achieve. They should also be relevant in the sense that they are meaningful and valuable to those who commit to them. And finally, goals should be time-bound, meaning that they have an identifiable endpoint. Managers should include their employees in the goal-setting process as much as possible. When people feel as though they play a part in setting the goals, they are more likely to accept and commit to them. Encourage people to write their goals down because we are more likely to reach our goals when we write them down. Once you've worked with each person to set goals and they've started working towards those goals, managers will likely want to reward their progress. Reinforcement theory says that we repeat behaviors that are rewarded. The first thing managers want to do is clearly communicate performance expectations and desired behaviors. Once expectations are understood, managers can motivate employees to continue desired behaviors by reinforcing those behaviors or linking them with rewards. Positive reinforcement is adding something of value, such as giving someone a bonus after breaking a sales record. Although positive reinforcement is the preferred method, there are times when managers may not have value rewards available, assuming feedback and recognition aren't enough. In these situations, it may be possible to reinforce desired behaviors by removing something unpleasant. You might transfer an employee's least favorite tasks to another less experienced employee who might benefit from learning how to complete these tasks. This is called negative reinforcement. One thing that managers can do that is both motivating for many people and also costs very little is appreciation. Showing appreciation for your followers' work and recognizing the important milestones in their lives means a lot to many people. Another option is recognition. Find people doing good things and tell them specifically what they did well. Don't assume your followers know when they are doing something well. You need to tell them. You can also recommend employees for promotions, send personal letters, organize a social recognition event like a lunch or party, give small gifts, award them with convenient parking, include them in company advertisements, and award additional vacation days. Once again, the point is that managers need to ask their employees, what rewards do you value? What will keep you moving forward along your path? Managers can also motivate employees to discontinue undesired behaviors by linking those behaviors with punishment, although it should be used sparingly and with caution. Punishment involves adding something unpleasant or removing something pleasant, like docking pay for tardiness or demoting an employee for more serious infractions. Punishment can have unintended consequences, such as decreasing motivation and performance. When punishment is used, it should be used immediately following the undesired behavior and applied consistently across people and situations. The third and final thing managers can do to motivate their employees is to support them as they work toward their goals. Support can come in the form of feedback that rewards desired behaviors and corrects undesired behaviors. Managers can also share words of encouragement, provide necessary information and resources, and remove obstacles when possible.